Nakapunta ka na ba ng La Union? Kung hindi pa, tara samahan nyo kami sa isang biglaang lakad papuntang LU! On our way, we were mesmerized by the beauty of the majestic Mount Arayat. It was a smooth 2.5-hour drive from Pampanga to La Union. When we reached Agoo, we had a quick stopover for lunch. Dito namin napili sa Jegos Grill and Restaurant. Masarap ang food dito at worth the money. At syempre, hindi namin pwedeng hindi matikman ang kanilang epic na sinanglaw. At dahil mabilis lang ang biyahe, walang traffic, we decided to proceed to our first destination before we check in. And here we are at Baluarte Watchtower in Luna, La Union at dusk. And this sight is to behold, where the sun and the sea seems to kiss the horizon. At dahil malapit lang ito sa aming tutuluyan, may araw pa nung nakarating kami sa Little Surf Maid in San Juan, La Union. I love this balcony view from the unit that we rented. This modest unit consists of a sala and a huge bedroom with 2 big beds. At dahil bigla ang lakad lang naman ito and we are on a budget, nagkasya na ang 4 na adult at 2 kids. Kompleto na rin ito with basic amenities such as refrigerator, television, and a small kitchen. At dahil nga nagtitipid kami, dito na rin kami kumain ng dinner na din-drive-thru namin on our way here. Next morning, maaga kaming gumala at dito nga kami unang pumunta sa Bato de Luna sa may San Juan, La Union. Ang daming iba't ibang klase ng bato dito. The numerous stone carvings and work of arts are truly masterpieces of the hands that made them. Everywhere you turn to, from floor to ceiling, are a reflection of passion, visions, and love for the arts. We also saw some puffer and porcupine fishes for sale. And OMG, they're very expensive. This one is 5,000 pesos. Kaya itong mga paso na lang ang binili ko, at least mura-mura. At heto nga pala ang mura at masarap naming lunch. Pauwi na sana kami nang bigla kaming may makitang signage na bahay na bato. Kaya pumasok kami dito para i-discover what's inside. Yung inakala naming pinuntahan namin kanina na Bato de Luna, na akala namin yun na yung bahay na bato, hindi pa pala. Sa bandang likuran, makikita nyo ang tunay na bahay na bato. This house is literally made of different kinds of stones from the ground floor to the second floor, accentuated by different kinds of logs, driftwoods, and lumber. From the balcony, you will have a nice view of the Pebble Beach. Dito, maririnig at mararamdaman mo ang malalakas na alon na umahampas sa dalampasigan. Yung pakiramdam na puro negative ions ang hinihinga mo. So relaxing. From here, nag-proceed naman kami papunta sa Pebble Beach, kung saan makakakita ka ng puro pebbles left and right. Ang gaganda, ang kukulay, ang kikinis. Sayang nga lang at bawal mamulot. We also passed by this area kung saan ginagawa ang mga iba't iba at makukulay na stone carvings. Salute sa mga artist na gumagawa nito. Dito na kami nag-dinner sa isang seafood restaurant malapit sa hotel namin. Isang buong bandehado ng seafood ang tinaob namin. So para matagtag, naglakad-lakad kami sa vicinity bago kami bumalik sa aming hotel. Third and last day na namin dito sa La Union, kaya maaga kaming gumising para mag-walking. This was the day bago maglandfall ang Super Typhoon Uwan. At dito sa La Union, maganda pa ang weather. We spent the whole morning by the beach. Malalaki ang alon kaya dito lang kami sa mga gilid-gilid namumulot ng mga shells, at maliliit na stones para meron kaming souvenirs. At itong mga naipon ni Ella ay naiuwi pa namin sa bahay na ngayon ay kasama na sa display. Habang si Carl naman ay enjoy na enjoy magpabugbog sa alon. Kami naman ni Naya ay hanggang panonood na lang. Ang hirap na talaga maging senior. Kulimlim at hindi maaraw kaya less worry sa sunburn. Nagbabad lang kami until it was time for us to go back to our hotel kasi kailangan na naming mag-check out. Medyo nakakabitin kapag 3 days ka lang nagstay dito sa La Union. Kung kaya din lang ng time, at least mga 5 days siguro okay na. At pag sinabing La Union, hindi pwedeng walang grape picking. So on our way back, dumaan muna kami dito sa San Fernando, La Union para mag-grape pick. For the experience ba? Medyo pricey nga ang grapes nila dito. Compared mo sa Manila or sa mga groceries. Pero sabi nga, experience matters the most. For the memories. And that wraps up our La Union adventure. If there's one thing this trip reminded me, it's how important it is to pause, breathe, and step outside our routines. Travel doesn't just show us new places, it reconnects us with ourselves. Whether it's the sound of the waves, the warmth of the sun, or the kindness of strangers, moments like this reminds us that there is a whole world out there waiting to refresh our tired spirits. Thanks for joining me in this adventure. See you on the next one.